everyone, I'm Gretchen and I'm with Animal Humane New Mexico. I'm a volunteer, and this is Boomer. Boomer is a 5-year-old Australian cattle dog, and he's got the most amazing colors. I'm sure you can get a pretty good look at him with him being sideways. His coat looks coarse, but he's really soft, and his ears, it's just like velvet petting his ears. He's just magnificent, and he's very gentle, very sweet, really good on a leash. He doesn't get along though with other dogs, so he's going to need to go to a home where he's the only one. But he would be a great companion for anyone. Now I was walking him earlier, and he's very good on the leash. If he gets to moving a little bit too fast, I tell him to wait, and he slows his gait. That's amazing, you know, for a dog here to be able to do that. And I can sometimes get him to sit, but when I do get him to sit, he wants to sit up. He wants to sit in a paws up position, and it's really cute. So we'll see if maybe we can get him to do it. Oh, all right.
Those green eyes.
Sasha?
I'm Barbara. I'm a volunteer with Animal Humane New Mexico. We have Sasha here. She's a 6-year-old, long-haired, orange tabby. She loves her neck scratched, as you can see. She seems to be wanting to make friends with the neighbor next door, which is a good thing. And I think she'd probably like a quiet household with respectful children. She can get a little bit nervous, but the minute you touch her, she just loves it. She also likes to be combed, and she's very cute. She has one black whisker in the white ones, one on each side, which is adorable. She would love to go home and stay there. Right, Sasha?